Hi, my name is Whitney, and this video will help anyone who's looking to become a professional cleaner with RHR Cleaning Services. I will discuss important things that will help you get a better idea of who we are and what we represent. If you have any questions, please email us at rhrcleaning@hotmail.com at the end of this video, and we'll get right back to you. Thanks so much for watching. I hear you're looking to make a little extra money, which is great because we're here to help. Working with RHR Cleaning can be very rewarding for people with great attitudes, people with a great eye for detail, can follow instructions, people who like to help people and like to stay moving. We offer great pay increases, customer tips, flexible scheduling, supplies, and so what's included in the employment process? We would need a copy of your driver's license or state ID, an online interview application, online training, orientation, on-site training, as well as a background and drug test, as well as a couple other forms such as non-disclosure and non-competing. Currently, all assignments have been contracted part-time with no health benefits. This may change in the future. Assignments are scheduled between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. Each assignment is different. Here's what you can expect from us. Starting compensation at $10 an hour up to $20 an hour. Customer tips, bonuses based on customer reviews and performance, same day / weekly compensation, gas payments when you drive your own vehicle, and cleaner appreciation. RHR Cleaning is a family-owned company and was established in 1999. We are open Monday through Saturday, closed on Sundays. Although not mandatory, we occasionally work some Sunday afternoons and holidays, depending on these. RHR offers the following cleaning services: move-out cleaning, occupied residential, commercial, office buildings, retail space, construction, remodeling, apartment turnovers, and in-home laundry services. It is important to note that RHR Cleaning Services is an at-will / on-call employment center. Therefore, your contractual employment can be dismissed or end without any warning or reason. Training can last up to 90 days. Your first 5 to 10 assignments can be also considered your training period. The actual number of training sessions is based on your quality of cleaning and how quickly you learn the company standard. After your training has been completed, you will be placed on a 60 to 90-day probation period, and during this time, your compensation will be increased to $11 an hour. After your probation period is complete, and the performance is up to quality company standards, your compensation will be increased to $12. There will be performance evaluations based on reliability, appearance, teamwork, the quality of work, of course, as well as assignment. Here at RHR Cleaning Services, all communication is important. All assignment notifications and memos are sent through email or through our text messaging systems. It is your responsibility to read and understand the information relayed or ask questions if necessary. Our mission is to be an innovative leader in residential and commercial cleaning, committed to exceeding customers' expectations and to provide unsurpassed attention to detail and competitive pricing.